so now I'm gonna react on a video Thalapathy Vijay versus 11 girls from the movie Bigil. So before I start, hello and I'm Nalina. Welcome to my channel, Nakrewali Mona. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो लेट्स गो.
Singles lan 1 versus 11. Nesi ball.
Yes sir.
ஹலோ உங்களை தான் வர வேணாம்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம்ல. எவ்வளவு அசிங்கப்பட்டாலும் பத்தாதா? வெல்ல போங்க முதல்ல.
நமக்குள்ள ஒரு பெட் மேட்ச். ஓகே? சிங்கிள்ஸ்லாம் இல்ல. 1 versus 11. நீங்க 11 பேர். நான் ஒத்த ஆள். உங்களை தாண்டி நான் 3 கோல் போடுறேன். என்ன தாண்டி நீங்க ஒரே ஒரு கோல் போட்டா போதும். நீங்க ஜெயிச்சிட்ட அந்த கிரவுண்ட்ல இருந்து மட்டும் இல்ல, அந்த ஊரை விட்டே போயிடுறேன். ஒருவேளை நான் ஜெயிச்சிட்டா அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் சொல்றத மட்டும் தான் நீங்க எல்லாரும் செய்யணும். பேட் நான் வேம்பு பாய்மா பாண்டியம்மா ரெடியா?
Bapre, everyone is ready now.
मारी एत्तिकिया
नहीं उठ रहा है.
Wow.
One more chance.
Total 3, right? Wow.
Mari.
My football's my football and chain. I shook all that tried defending my aim. I hook balls and score, stay out my lane, and I hook ball and try to extinguish my flame. And you're gonna have to work together and just overcome the obstacles that's coming in to celebrate the work we putting in. At the end of it all, if we play our roles.
Yay! Last time.
Harder than Maradona, Zinedine Zidane, Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi or the Messi, don't test me.
அங்க வெள்ளை கங்க பாக்குற அந்த பாரு.
You wanna bless me? Competition, my religion. I gotta upgrade the visions. I can't afford intermissions. I got too much ambition. It's meant to be a condition. So just listen to my vision. I just wanna want the recognition. You can take it all, just respect me when I'm giving it my all. Even when we hit a scrimmage, giving it my all. I've been trying since beginning.
காலையில 5 மணிக்கு ட்ரெயினிங்.
Okay. Wow, superb. Amazon Prime. Okay, it's available on Amazon Prime now. Bigil movie. But I guess not in Hindi language. Might be. Because, yes, I was searching for more movies on Amazon Prime of Thalapathy Vijay. But not all are dubbed. And I would love to watch Bigil as well. This seems to be wow. Is it available on YouTube at least? Dubbed version? Do let me know in the comment section. So as I told you earlier, I used to react so much on Thalapathy Vijay and Allu Arjun, and once I got copyright issues and all, since then for 3 to 4 months I had stopped reacting on any scenes and anything as such, and now I'm not getting response for it, so I'm just trying once again. If I get good response, I'll come more on Thalapathy Vijay's video. Once this video crosses 10k views, I'll be sooner coming up with new video of Thalapathy Vijay, of course. So do it, guys. Share as much as you can. Okay, I want to talk about Thalapathy Vijay's swag. As I always say, his swag is totally different, and I guess we all crazily love the swag of Thalapathy Vijay. The swag is totally different. The way he eats chewing gum, the way he wears sunglasses, the way he did something in the start like this, right, which goes along with the background music as well. Everything seems to be totally different, and ask him to wear anything, it suits him. Like now he was wearing, I guess, a black jacket, white shirt, grey pant, white shoes. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I guess because this is the first time I'm watching the scene, right? And the sunglasses and everything, the way he entered, even he doesn't enter normally, okay? He will kick the door and then he'll enter. That's the swag of Thalapathy Vijay, and the way he was playing with the ball throughout the video. I guess he got specially trained for the scene or for the movie, might be, because this doesn't seems to be easy. Like playing with the ball and anything as such, it doesn't seems easy. Like, see, if I practice dance and if there is something extra new added into it, I need to practice a lot. And this is totally a scene which should look perfect on theaters, on big screen, because we all know if it is Thalapathy Vijay's movie, people are gonna go crazy and watch it in the theaters, and only in South he earns 300 crores over there itself and more. So the perfection is much needed, and Thalapathy Vijay gives us the perfection, the emotion. Like one actor who will make us cry as well, who will make us fall in love as well, who will make us fall in love with his action scenes as well, his dance as well, and everything, his expressions, the way he loves his family, the way he is in his normal life. I mean, not real life. It's totally different, man. A very down to earth person. I have seen people gathering and watching him like madly, crazily and everything. People love him like anything. There was I guess I had reacted on Facts of Thalapathy Vijay, might be Journey of Thalapathy Vijay. I don't remember the title. If I get it, I'll add it in the end screen. So there they have given a lot much of information about Thalapathy Vijay. How a person even killed himself because Thalapathy Vijay's movie wasn't getting released. So I was like, man, he earned everything. If public is with him and if people are loving him so deeply, it means he doesn't need anything now. This is it. He won everyone's heart, and that's wow. And like if you've seen like Thalapathy 65 announcement, Beast, Look 1, 2, I guess 2 or 3 Look got released, I guess, on that day. So for each and everything, people were extremely excited. Even I was waking up in the night, I guess it got released by 12. Even I performed Reels dance of Apidi per day on Thalapathy Vijay's birthday itself. If you haven't watched, do watch on my Instagram. Instagram ID is Nakrewali Mona itself. Go and watch. That was especially my love for Thalapathy Vijay. And I'll come up more with some South Indian songs and dance as well. And I'm literally waiting, you know, like when will we get new trailers, teasers, new announcement. And earlier it was like there was a lot many excitement to react on any kind of videos, right? Because there were so many trailers, teasers, songs getting released earlier. Now because of this pandemic thing, nothing is getting released. So now we have a very few updates. That's really heartbreaking, by the way. So this was my reaction on Thalapathy Vijay versus 11 Girls. आपको और भी ऐसे वीडियोस देखने हैं तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को जैसे तो लाइक करो गाइस, जैसे तो शेयर करो एंड चेक आउट माय सेकंड चैनल मोना के नखरे एज वेल प्लीज. बाकी परत मी